Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a popular option for those just starting their musical journey. The Rise by Sawtooth 6-string, 3/4 size, beginner's classical guitar kit. This particular model comes in a striking satin red stain finish, applied to its pine wood top, back, and sides. The rub satin finish gives a nice feel and look. It features a NATO wood neck and a rosewood fretboard, standard materials often found in beginner instruments. The headstock is fitted with open gear tuning machines, which are reliable for keeping the guitar in tune. A traditional multicolored rosette around the sound hole adds a classic touch to its appearance. Being a 3/4 size guitar, it's specifically designed with beginners in mind, making it much more comfortable for younger players or adults with smaller hands compared to a full-size instrument. The classical nylon strings are also easier on fingers than steel strings, which is a big plus for new players. What makes this a great starter package is everything that's included. You don't just get the guitar. The kit comes complete with a World Tour graphic padded gig bag, which is essential for protecting the instrument when transporting it. It also includes a guitar strap, a pitch pipe for tuning, and a pick sampler, giving a new player everything they need to start practicing right away without needing to buy additional accessories separately. The brand Sawtooth positions this kit as the perfect choice for a beginner's acoustic guitar, and looking at the features and included accessories, it's easy to see why. It provides a comfortable size, beginner-friendly classical strings, and all the necessary gear to get started, all in one package with an attractive finish.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.